Also important to note that Nigeria is ranked among the 192 countries in the world. Nigeria is ranked as 191 with unsafe road network. So, Mr. President, it is important. Toll gates are practiced in all developed societies. Toll gates are practiced to the extent that they have become digital, computerized toll gates. But here in Nigeria, we are talking about even how to survive and how to maintain or how to bring these analog toll gates where toll will be manned by armed people and revenues will be collected. Your Excellency, my highly respected colleagues, the issue of toll gate is of great importance to Nigeria. Those monies that are realized will be used in maintaining those roads, at the same time providing services